Hey guys, this is Lego City Star Wars fan. I'm going to be doing a review on the Lego City excavator and truck. It's a really cool set. Yep, it's the 2015 construction line. I actually ordered this off Lego. Not like last month or something. Like in January, the very first month of 2015. So yeah, start with the minifigures. This is my favorite minifigure in the set. Got a really nice torso. A helmet with headphones on. Some really cool glasses. Back printing. Yeah, he looks really good. And the dark red shirt, and the color dark red is maroon, I think. Yeah, maroon. Oh. Another guy he's almost like the mining minifigure. Here he is. Pretty cool plaid. Yeah, nothing too special. This is 2012 faces or something. I think it was 2012. I'm not sure. Here you got some bricks. Pretty cool. You get two of the 2x2 gray brick, the beige one. Oh, let's turn this. The light green one, the brown one, and the dark green one. Yeah, getting them, but there's two colors each. But I don't know. I don't know. Onto here you get a box. Nothing special, it's a beige color, cool color. You get two dynamites. One is with the clock, and this one's just a dynamite. You get this, I don't know, I can't remember the name of it. Like this noising thing, make noise. Shovel and a brown broom. Onto the conveyor belt. This is like a really nice piece. What you can do is put the bricks in here, like here's this truck. I'll review this last, by the way, in the last of the video. What you can do is, let's say you put these bricks in, and then you saw how we did it. Oh, oops, it's not working. Hello. Anyways, you put these bricks in here, and then you turn them. You let them go up. Oh, let's just do one. You can see one going up, and then it'll fall. Pretty cool. Here's the construction hat on here, and that conveyor thing, which I really like this piece. Pretty cool. And yeah, here's the excavator you get with it. Here's the water sticker. No, stickers keep spinning up, annoying. The oil sticker. You can see that. If you open this roof, you can put your minifigure inside, of course. And you get some hands. And you know what the hands are for. They are to carry these bricks. Let's see right here. Just put them on here. See, you carry them. And you put them into this truck. Alright. And then this What's the more here? But anyways, it can turn around. You get wheels. There's back. Yeah, it looks pretty nice. Here onto the blue truck. It's actually a very nice design. Yeah, HA has been seen in a lot of Lego trucks. This is kind of weird, but okay. Yeah, I really like this truck. Very, very nice design. If you open this, you can put your minifigure inside, of course, just like every Lego truck and car. And inside is a coffee mug, if you can see that. There's a city logo right there. Lights, top lights. Looks pretty nice. Oh, and exhaust pipes. Those, oops. Oh, stupid. These things right here. Pretty cool. Be right back. I just gotta get something. Okay, I'm back. I'm going to actually compare this truck to the 2012 dump truck, the red truck from the Lego City Harbor, and the Harbor from 2011, and the 2012 dump truck from the gold mine. So let's do these two first, since they're the boxes. Anyways, this is like twice the size. But anyways, if you compare the, yeah, and let's tear the side by sides. As you can see here, let's see. Let's see. I think the orange one is much bigger. This one's pretty small. And let's do this one. Yeah, I think this is pretty big. If you try to compare this to this truck, you know, of course, I bet the blue one's bigger. Yeah, it's bigger. But I think one of these vehicles that are most similar to this vehicle is the orange one, as you just saw, as you can see right there. You can see. Oh, oops. You can see why they're similar. Here's the newest one, and the other two I have are the older ones. So yeah. So yeah, this is overall a very nice set. I never expected I'd review this set, but I had an exam coming next week. I thought I was not going to be here, but I decided to be here. Yeah, I'm going to try and get some more reviews up. Lots of videos up on YouTube, so you should stay tuned for that. And yeah, so please rate, comment, like, and subscribe, and bye.